Hi, welcome to today's video on our NMEA 0183 display program. This simple web app allows you to use one of our USB to NMEA adapter cables plugged into any computer, and then in your browser you can see the NMEA 183 data. So with everything connected up, click the connect button and it will give you a list of the USB serial COM ports that are here. We're using COM5 today, so we'll hit connect. Then it's now doing an auto baud rate inspection to see what the baud rate is of the incoming data. It's detected that it's 38,400, and as you can see here, the NMEA 0183 sentences that it's being received are scrolling down the screen. It keeps a count of all the number of sentences received, that counts up, and also the bandwidth, so that's the amount of space available for sentences at the 38,400 baud rate. At any time, if you want to study a particular sentence, you can press the pause scrolling button and then you can look at the sentences without them scrolling off the screen. If you want to copy any of the data on the screen, you can just highlight it. Let's do that, and then copy and paste that as you would with any other data. And then when we want to start scrolling again, we just hit the start scrolling button. We can also log from here. So if we want to create a log file of the data being received, we can start the log. It's now saving that data into the browser's memory. And then when we've got enough data, we can stop the log file and then click the save log button, and it will ask us where we want to save that log file. You can change the name of it and then just hit the save. And that's all of the data that's received during the log will be stored in that text file. Also, finally, the program can also send commands to the actual device that it's connected to. So if we want to send one of our proprietary commands for setting up one of our devices, we can type that in there or copy and paste it. And then when we click the send button at the end there, it will send that data to the device that it's connected to. So very simple program, but a very useful tool to have in your toolkit, along with one of our USB to NMEA adapter cables for doing investigating and diagnosing any NMEA 0183 system. Thanks very much for watching.